today we're going to go over how to disconnect an Android phone from the VLine 2 and repair it for Android Auto. This doesn't happen very often, but every now and then there might be some connectivity issues where you need to forget both devices and repair them. So we'll go through those steps on the Android phone and the VLine system. Alright, so we're in the Android Auto settings here, and we're just going to go ahead and go back to the home screen. And then we're going to go to our second page here, and we'll go into settings. And the second option down here, connected devices. And then go to the gear icon next to your phone. And then you'll click forget. And once that's done, you can go ahead and go back to the home screen. And we'll go ahead and open up the Android Auto app again on the VLine. And now we're done with the VLine side, so we'll go to the phone side next. Alright, on the phone here, we will go into the Bluetooth settings, and then you're going to look for VLine 2, and hit the icon next to that and do unpair. And then once that's done, we'll just stay in the Bluetooth app on here, and we'll go back to the VLine. Alright, so now we've got both devices here, and on the VLine screen you're going to find the phone you want to pair, and click on that. And then we should get the pairing code on both devices here, and we'll check the box for contacts. And once you've hit pair on both devices, it should go through normally, and it should launch Android Auto. There we go, and now we've got Android Auto launched.